Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to change the Tata Altroz or punch key for battery. So let's see. I have brought this Panasonic CR2032 battery for the key. So let's see how to change it. So you need a sharp thing to open it. I'm opening with blade. So this is the cell. So I remove the battery now. Let's put the new battery. So I've inserted it, guys, and you have to put this cap again back. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe to my channel.